Prashant, I have to give you a surprise, you know that. I met Oz today. I went to his house and I met him, and you know my feelings for him, don't you? That guy proposed to me, dude. He actually proposed to me. I didn't know what to do. Should I cry? Should I laugh? I was spellbound. I was just spellbound and thinking, what do I do? I was just sitting in his couch. And he slowly comes and offers his tea and coffee and blah 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 drink in his very posh way. And then he says that he loves me. It was a very casual kind of affair, and says that, Konkana, can I say something? I said, yes, Oz, I'm trying to be cool. And then he comes and says that, Coco, I love you. Can you imagine? He says that he wants to be with me. Now I didn't know what to reply. my heart was pounding so badly. It was almost in my hand. I don't know what to do. I'm in love with him, Prashant. I'm in love with this man. I just didn't believe that he's the one who's going to come and propose to me.